Yo guys, hey. So in today's video, we're going to be playing an airplane game. It's called Extreme Landings. Now, if you're afraid of flying or airplane crashes, then do not watch this video. Warning. I repeat, do not watch this video if you are afraid of flying or crashing an airplane. Because I'm a bit scared of that. Anyway, let's continue. So, we are playing this game called Extreme Landings. And, we're just gonna play normal mode. Make sure my back wheel touches first. Are you kidding me? An ad I can't skip. I hate ads I can't skip. Now you made me, crash my airplane. Alright, I just crashed my airplane. My airplane died. My airplane is done. My airplane is gone. Look at it. It's done. Alright, please be a skippable. Why does it have to be a non-skippable ad again? Alright, it's almost done. I hate these ads. Alright, made me crash it again. Skippable? Wait, hold on. No, it's skippable. Let's go. Alright, now just go down a bit. Just go up a bit. Just go down a bit. Go up a bit. Alright, now we're good. Alright, we're good? That's weird. There's no sound anymore. There should be sound. Make sure your back wheel touches first or else you're gonna crash. Right. You're gonna crash. Oh, that's alright. Oh no, we're going a bit fast here. Alright. Am I forgetting? No, I am forgetting to do something. This is the fastest I've actually ever landed. Oh, let's go. That's a fast landing. We're going a bit too fast here. We should not be going this fast. We're gonna be in the middle of the runway. Actually, that's not too fast.
I think it'll be a really.
No, we're good. Alright, we're good.
Especially someone like Mark. Because he can dominate.
Oh, I hate this ad.
And there's a few things that there's some things that he probably
skip. I'm just skip. Alright, there. We drifted over to the left so much. That's so weird. There's no sound. It's fine though. You guys don't need sound to survive. All you need is me to be talking and then you'll be fine. Come on. Come on. Now we're getting close.
It's just too bad.
We're getting close. No, we're gonna get alarmed here. We're gonna get low speed alarmed. Low speed is under 150. If you didn't know that. Yeah, we're gonna go low speed here. No, wait. Yes.
Emery's fine.
Yeah, I knew it, low speed, but that's actually good. You don't want to be high speed.
It would have just been just like eyes cold.
Oh, that was a rough landing.
Yeah. So I think he'll be good. Like, it totally makes sense what they did. But personally, Ben wants to be on our team. Oh, he does. That's what his mom was saying.
No, do we?
Ted's on the team.
Oh,
Ted will be a Ted's all defenseman. That's what he's probably
3 knots. I was not going 3 knots.
Harry.
I was also not going 1 knot.
Lucas is a solid defenseman. He's
Alright.
he's not.
Why is that? Oh.
So you can get around him.
Alright, all we gotta do, same thing, blah, 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 just do that. There's really only 3 things I have to do when landing. Well, 4. All I gotta do is be careful. Don't crash. And make sure my back wheels touch first. Well, a bit more than 4 steps. And turn my speed down, flaps down. What? Resume. Oh no, we're gonna die. No. Everybody's gonna die. We're going 200 knots. No. We're going full speed. No. No, we're gonna cry. Are we? We might clutch up.
I know, that was the goal. And he knew that.
No, we're clutching up. Oh, we're not gonna die. We're not gonna die. We're going a bit too high speed there. You shouldn't be going 180 knots when you land. At least we made it to the end of the runway. Alright, let's go. Next. Cool, let's, ooh, an ad that I can totally skip. I'm so cracked at this. Alright, 5-minute timer.
Because they're so nice, easy for them. Because I did that with Greg. And then, like, for example, you got with Austin, I'm like, oh, 46 and go to a kid.
I think that's one.
I saw Parker last year.
No, we're about at the 500 mark. But that's weird. I've never seen water like that in this game. Turbulence.
This team, like, overall, the skill level on this team is higher than in last year's team. You have way bigger defense. But he's tough.
Oh no. Oh, let's go. We actually did it. I thought we were gonna have a bit of a bumpy ride there. Alright, we're good. I hate ads. I just hate ads. Go down, go up, go down, go up, go down. And then we were going up. It's foggy. It's fine.
16, like you've never had, oh no, I don't think you've ever had a team of 16 skaters. Greg has.
Oh, wait. It might be going a bit low. No, we're fine. We're in line with the runway, so it's fine.
And it's probably
If we land in water, it's fine if we land in water. Oh, that's weird. The water was animated different last time.
so 3 lines of floaters. What is it?
No, we're not gonna land in the water.
That's the first couple.
The fake water.
Greg's sitting up. Oh yeah. Yeah. At some point we'll talk to the coach about that. You know yet?
I don't know.
You think he knows?
No, it's fine now. We
No, I don't
crashed.
think he does because I said something about
Fine, I mean,
last night too.
we can do it again.
I was sitting to a restaurant.
That was like the greatest landing
I
ever.
didn't know other than no.
Oh, do.
Like Melanie,
That scares me.
the age coordinator, Emily's mom. Hockey. It's like I'm sure that it's not. We will just.
Well, I mean,
It needs to be dealt with.
alright. We're about 1,000 meters
Well,
from the
I
ground. No, we're
read
not. We're
somewhere
like
that
2,000.
exhibition games before.
You know, You know what I wish I could just do on this airplane?
Delayed.
Crash
If it's like a carryover suspension.
into
If you've got exhibition games before.
the New York
But it does. So
Twin Towers don't even exist anymore. I don't know why people still talk about 9/11 news, even though it was like 23 years ago.
So if you like get approved.
It's kind of weird, but I'm one of those kids that talks about it. 12. W.
To get rid of suspensions. Whereas tournaments are a little bit different.
Come on. Come on.
And I don't know who wins it.
Yes. Got me. Got a boy, which is me.
Your D is definitely going to be bigger than the other three.
Bad. So many ads. Oh yeah, you can skip it. Alright. This is also my least favorite ad. Oh yeah, good day. I'm tired. I'm tired because I'm recording this at night, which means I'm editing it at night. Yeah, come on. Turbulence. Just like left and right.
Yeah. So. And you.
Turbulence. Well, why are we going full speed? No, we're not. We're going like. Oh, no, we might be going for an impact kind of quick here. We landed in the middle of the runway. I don't think that's good.
It's the same thing. It's like
That's fine. We're not gonna die or anything like that.
that much better. He's like he's just faster.
All right. Well, I did it. Let's actually go to menu instead. Let's check out if I can level up on my airplane. I don't think I can. No.
They're talking, and it's
What do you guys want? Do you want me to play more games like that?
but as a team,
Comment down below if you want more games like this.
wasn't very good last year.
Music font. Why is it down like that? It should be up there. Put it halfway.
More than 12 of them ever passed, and one got it.
So I'll just end the video here. So bye. Yo, how are you doing? So, if you enjoyed the video, I suggest you subscribe or like and watch more content. Watch this video if you watch this one, just more content. I'm just a small content creator trying to make subs, so subscribe, please. It'll really help me.